Tugusaba kwa bro manchi mugiria so gutumana kwa Mario gya yukorendo na nyara kubagingo kumanya buna ni watigire gose yatigire nsi amatuko gosinse chinsa 24 tena kwa togo chengera Merry Christmas asoma ko igabo chirubana mangebere 99 na watigire nsi amatuko 10 boye gotanya kwa togo tambuka guchuma konde o 2025 yoko gena kwa nendo nsi asoro ngonya kweriga niore na boigo abageni banyare kwa bawikira na kulinda yukando ekionga chinsa isano na ibera senchera ayo wenye chinga kechiga chemega Yesu kubuna nyariko bakagutwikira SMS ya mangana mayanche Cynthia Kirbo uraseme manyere gutuchwa tarananere Wilson Makori Tuguchaka na roboti ritukolia rero bwaso mheshimiwa Josephat Emmanuel Sungura ritukolia rero nyara kubaga kumirana na gati iye byombe bya baburaka kurwase wodi ya Kitutu Central anamone kyombe kyanya mukya widows ikike bwataranete abagaka bali batabwati abakungu babo nabwe abakungu bali batabwati abagaka babo na konyara kubakobasina kubasira kinga kichiga cyemega Yesu kuna kwena kyabuna na boro bonko nyara kabale bagosherekea monichi family cyabo kinga kichicho nyara bwo gutarira bali batari kwenyara nabwo taka kurwase chinso mucha shirikisho enseme ya wamogesa wikira ensemeli ya botori asanyara kwa gosia saba menyi enseme wanyara kwa bako gokere gitambo kirikina kumakira mbuya muno mheshimiwa Josephat Sungura soko baikirania agoseko bakonya chinga kechiga che Christmas na koneke boigo mna na barabungo chikosanga bale amone chi family chabo mheshimiwa Josephat Sungura boigo nigale umoralia sigeta senye kiga kyagetembe
Samaria tane nkoro kujya clinic rubondieki umuburaka korwe kyombe kyabunyamuke women widows and widows iwo toregere no mawo kaseri tukori rero umugambi Sungura otoireki obosie enye kitawoteba kyombe kito kyagatende kagenderera bari nande mbiyamo no sese ni wamune timu yao ne timu ya gatembe yose aso gutwariga niri tukoria rero tariki 24 na ndu twagokira abana baito banyare konyore kibakuri aseri tukoria rero
abana babura kabara nejintakana abo bacha mugambi mbiyamo no Sungura aso sacrifice na woteba abantu bamindo babotori monyore Christmas Quando vamos então aqui mau hotel.
Biamano. Takana, imaite ngamna na rusti mama, tak buat datang tempat mama. I feel what mama ini pikir hari kata buat timur. So nggak feel it is very painful. Jauh kan yang mudah harus buat kini nanti aku make Christmas. So that's when I feel it lagi. This year, nana pada last year, what I normally do is this. Amon tolio tapuka tolio romo koraka. Abana cintakana, na bali batali kwenyara. Those are the cases I'm handling every year because to my task. Abang bali papukate batali kwenyara kwa na abang. So teringa Sungura ambuate. This is the small thing I have. Because ibu muaku mukima nanya na ngati anse bang. Baito bali papukate ile jalo.
Tugutikana na roboti orubo no nigabarai a kurasoro gongorwa Nyanza bakoragwa amono Mosike Evans Kidero nibo bono banyare kwa bakoburia abakenya a konyara koba bako twaro molembe chinga kechiga chemega Yesu guku na nemono chinga kechi cyo banyare kwa bako muburia yo kabiro mokonyi bo moraibensi ya Kenya Muskirigadi Gashagwa konyara kwa bakabusika oyore umoraibensi ya Kenya Muske William Samuel Ruto na komwali baga ili anyare kwa bakakorera abakenya magendero no balirete chira chiaye ne chinga kechi cyo Muske Charles Chweya niganyara ko bakakurwe nkwana yayo bigonyara ko bakobabuli abakenya konyara ko bagutwara omolembe nabo kumusika abo igomo raibwense ya Kenya.
Yesterday Sunday was a very unfortunate day because we saw the former deputy president addressing a gathering at a church. And the unfortunate thing is that his address was full of insinuations, full of ethnic balkanization, and full of ethnic incitement. He talked about alcoholism and selling of alcoholic products in Kenya, kind of insinuating that illegal alcoholic products are being made and being directed by the government to be sold only in a particular part of Kenya and to only one ethnic community, which unfortunately is not true. The president has strived to get the Kenyans to work together, Kenya to be a one nation, and all the 52 tribes to be together. And his insinuation is unacceptable, because we believe that this is probably the reason why he was impeached. It started with shareholding issues, and it ended up in his impeachment, and him insinuating that the president is directing alcoholic products to be sold only to one particular community is very, very unfortunate. And I want to call on the National Integration and Cohesion Commission to take this matter very, very seriously and investigate it. And he needs to be brought to answer and to provide evidence that this is so.
For example, I come from the Kisii community. We only have one CS. Now, other communities have 7 CSs. They hold about 40% of this government, and no one is saying anything. So really, what we should be saying is that let the president be given an opportunity to appoint whoever they seem and deem fit to serve in whichever capacity, and that is what has happened. And so sensationalizing issues and making the president look like he's just appointing people from one community is not the best route to go. And so I just wish to say that Your Excellency, the former Deputy President, please give the country an opportunity to move forward. Thank you.
Chinga keti abakenya bagendete gucengera meyega Yesu kuba nigo yoromora iwe kiama kia Wiper Mweske Kalonzo Musyoka negati abarai abo wente kurwa chinkwana cyabona bwo kubaganiria abakenya emejegemia animo no asanyara kwa kago kwanera igoro yo mwaka 2025 asanyara kwa baga kubanekeria abakenya mu mwaka go cyano chikobo mwaka bo morembe na bigo konyara kwa baga kugikiria ebikole byo kubwatwa mamincha eyeri chiko no asanyara kwa baga goteba muna so mwaka go cha tidori chigotwara ebikole binga
This young congregation will grow to minister not to one person's heart like me, but to the nation, to the region, to the African continent, and prepare the world for what our Lord and Savior intended the whole thing to be. Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas. And a happy 2025. 2025, I can tell you that, I can say that in church, will not be a year of abductions, because it will not happen. It will not happen. We are actually a country also under the rule of law, and if we are a country under the rule of law, everybody then must stand to order. To order. Again, we are not an island nation. We are part of the international community, and the world is moving as it should. And so, thank you so much, Limuru. Thank you, Kanisa, kwa kutukaribisha. Asante.
Nagaro tokandete ni chinkwana chabarai ogo chase abakenya chinga kechika chemega Yesu guku ayiga ni nkwana yo maraibense ya Kenya Mweske William Samuel Ruto na wigo omo first lady omo swati Rachel Ruto go chase abakenya.
This Christmas, I invite you to go with me on a brief journey to honor millions of men and women whose service is defining our collective national transformation endeavors, significantly contributing to nation building. Because of their hard work, determination, and dedication, there is evidence before us that the work of building a stronger, more united, secure, and prosperous Kenya is underway. Our health workers are guardians of our well-being, using their knowledge, skills, and compassion to ensure every Kenyan has access to care. Your work is the foundation of a healthier nation and a healthier future.
Kenya's future is in the classroom. Having been a teacher, I understand how difficult it is to teach a hungry child. Our mission is to make sure hunger doesn't get in the way of our children's education. A plate of food is power in a child's hands.
Every brick you lay takes our country forward towards a future of dignity, security, and inclusive growth. In constructing these homes, we are building lasting hope for Kenyan families.
A kitchen garden is a gift we give ourselves that keeps giving, providing families with fresh, healthy meals. You can transform your meal table by stepping out to do a little cultivation. This Christmas, let us grow more organic food and nourish our children with love and care.
Planting trees is an act of hope. We do this to remind ourselves that our action can make a difference for us and for future generations. Trees protect our rivers and water catchment areas, combat climate change, and beautify our land. Our tree planting program is our collective expression of hope for a Kenya that is beautiful and bountiful now and for years to come.
This is a season of gratitude, love, and giving. Let us rediscover the power of selfless love in the spirit of this festive season. May it continue to inspire us as we raise our families, serve our communities, and build our nation.
This Christmas, let us remember that together we are always unstoppable. Let our actions affirm the power of unity, solidarity, and compassion. Do not hesitate to perform acts of friendship and kindness. Experience the miracle of giving by giving. Together, we will do great deeds for our nation and warm every Kenyan heart.
To each one of you and your families, Merry Christmas
and a happy, prosperous New Year 2025.
Oruno roboti bo murai wensi ya Kenya usikia William Samuel Ruto na bigo umo first lady Rachel Ruto ucha saba Kenya tinga kichiga bagu chingira esugu kutwara buri buya na bigo ningira nenda sekiunga chinsa ikomi kumanya yo munayenda mange munaragendere kolekana kurwase chinsemo igoto sukai yanda kwa goteremerero riyo ito yonse pinche Cynthia Kirubo kurase memenyeri gotongana Wilson Makoya nsema chi kamera yoringe producer ito nere Boniface Ongeri nsema transmission nere director Kariri na Twensia Soboamo tokweli bagele ko wisheri Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christ Marian Mission Hospital ni hiyo korerera ba mentire obokoreri bwaye na koba ubuye kigima
asa Marieta ngoro kwa diuka poko no munyaktari ko rwase nyaktari aba sister ya Christ Marian bono nyaktari ya Christ Marian ngoro yero muroberi oribo korikia abantu oswa sha ntori gwakania ko erikia sware rinda lyonsi oratware na botogo konya
buno mbabwate CT scan na bwigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unit HDU
Jumatatu ndobwate kliniki kia abantu balibe lisangu ikoro kwa dermatology clinic na psychiatric clinic asa abantu bali babwata uburwaire bw'obwongo. Chuma ine ntobwate clinic ikeriki abana gikoro ku pediatric clinic na clinic y'abangina gikoro ku gynecology clinic.
Babwate nseme ya dialysis yu yekerero use the latest nsemo ya laboratory.
Jumatano ntobwate clinic ikeriki ya surgery asibali bako barwa bado Jumatano ntobwate clinic y'abangina naba rwere bali pia babwata magana ya mauga babunekire babekire chichuma ikoro kwa orthopedic clinic. Aramisi ntobwate medical outpatient ikoro kwa MOPC eliya marwere mono na sukari, pressure, malaria eyekoba Aramisi.
Tubweba Christmarian nebwate ambulance asaba konyi bwa emergency usubwengo
asaba rwere bali barware de chinyiko ntobwate clinic kera ukigero korwa kira omotienyo 6 aso mwaka lakini bono twachirete tamo kira omotienyo 3 onye yabanja no twakora batokora match yende twakora omotienyo 6 oyondo omotienyo 9 aso mwaka clinic ya maino ntobwate pake ward y'abana bake bali banyorero lakini rende matuko abo taraika
patarere ase omuchubusongo asamatabekani amashauri asepara ekotira korwa kisi kogenda chitangi gosikima bondo
boigon tobwate ensemo ikoro ku maternity ine ensemo y'abangina bali banyorera abana bose babo chikonyora abana asa abantu bali babwate megonge ko baroma bali kiru n'abanyagitari bachikokorerwa masoezi tobwate chi specialist nyagitari to chikoro ku physiotherapist tobwate ensemo ya theater yobwate bintu ebinge nabariganiri ase nyagitari yeito ya Christamarian ni nyagitari yomugusi na hinde takobwa magana yerigori incho toikarase tokwane toigwane tokonya
asamange bakirisimia senamba 0720266999 gose 0791394904.
Elimu Academy ni sukuru y'oboroso eyokorwa amelo y'ekiseme ky'ekimurulyo omuya OCBC na bwigo na junior secondary igo babwate enyomba enene ye ebitabu yani library eyobwigo ebwate ebitabu bisaine eby'omwana arasome nigo bwigo babwate science laboratory na bwigo computer lab ebirasi byabo nebigale buya na ebyo bisaine asa abana bagosomera ebyo bibatabanzingira amaya abaroke barase skuru ye igo babwate ubumenyi bwisaine na abo banjira mu wizara y'ekisemi libagali sukuru yenelinene ase umwana aragosorerye babwate umurubulyo boarding ase babwate kinyomba kingi yasa abana bakorara ekyo kibatetema kika boarding kurenganamo ni wizara y'ekisemi meyense babwate kigali cy'obosombi ekyo kikoleta abana ase skuru ye nabo kubairania nka intake y'umwaka 2025 nigo agendrete ayirera iri bwenyorere libaga umwana wona kwibwatanya mu skuru yiga nigo bale kilomita ibere cyoka gokorokora umucyurya ubusongo gucya ase umucyokeroka ase barenene yakisikeroka asamange bakirisi gutarase kinamba cyabo 0780894411 bosigotarase nambende 0728722255. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Sha Ceramics ligobono yago keirie liguri ly'ekitile kya Twyford ekyo bono igachikoni bwa chishiringi chimisano nebere nemirongo ebere chuka ase a box ya 30 by 30 ligobakoni ya chimabul bunabono chi tabletops ikoni bari chirangi aina chonse koni bari solid doors PVC ceiling babwata chitile chechinyasi nabo igo echechi floor MBS pyramid, gypsum cornice, filled fables, mbabwate chi double corner shelf, a towel rack, chi scrap holders, chi soap dispenser, na boigo chi shower mbabwate chi birengo ne chi type ao. Ebinto bya plumbing byonse pie. Kuna bono PPR female, PPRT, PPR stop valve, valve sockets, PRS chi generator mbabwate chi type chonsi pi, chi submersible pumps, chi drill mbabwate chi type chonsi, chi bench vise, chi meter saw, Anson scales, na boigo mbabwate chi water tap chonsi pi. Simiti, chi chuma, chi water tank, chi water pipe, amabati chi type chonsi. Emesumari na ego toka eyubugachi ne yamabati. Ego bagotoka Cansons Plaza aseparana na ya Kisumu Highway. Inchuo sha Salamex bwego lila sirigulirianse.